Welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Not one to back down from a challenge. When Tim from Ashton Auto Repair challenged me to cook some meat with some engine heat, I just couldn't back down. Might be one of the craziest things we ever did around here, but we're gonna make it happen. Coming up.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
So you know what we're making today? We're making a Silverado burger. Nope. We're making a Silverado matzo bacon cheeseburger. And we're going to be using a Silverado to cook it. Coming up. So I went to the best local butcher around, got some of the finest grade ground chuck, master meats, and I got some bacon. So let's make it happen. First thing we're going to make is some Silverado sauce. Teaspoon of HP, 2 teaspoons of Dave's hot sauce, tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon tablespoon, and a little bit more. The whip that has that zip, a little bit onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, some banana peppers, a little bit of banana pepper juice, a little bit of mustard, a couple of pickles, a little bit of pickle juice, cracked pepper, give it a good stir. That's good sauce. We need some bacon. Since we're using engine heat, gotta figure out a way to keep from starting a grease fire. Better warm up the grill. All right. I want this burger thin. Season with sea salt. Black pepper. And we'll need a touch of olive oil because this is going to be our pan we're cooking in. I have a plan. Sea salt. Cracked black pepper. A little bit onion and garlic on one side. To ensure an even cook, We'll use the patented White Castle. All right. Next thing we need for this gourmet Silverado burger. Butter grilled onions. If you're wondering where I got my culinary degree, it was from the Food Network. So, there was no place under the hood of this thing that I could get any temperature out of. Wouldn't get above 160 degrees. And I don't want to die. But I just put a new muffler on this thing. And it's flat. And it'll make a perfect grill. So, my grill awaits. So we're here. We have our bacon, our onions, our cheese, our buns. First thing I want to get on the grill is the onions. Put my cheese over here. And let's get these onions on. And turn up the heat, I guess. I gotta say, if nothing else, it smells good under it. Look at this, our onions are cooking. Bacon's cooking. Smells delicious. Just like White Castle. Back on the grill. Ooh, that smells good. Slow, but it's cooking. All right, gotta turn this over. Ooh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, I gotta say. All right, back on the grill. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Oh, look at that melty cheese, melty cheese. cook good, muffler cook good. I gotta get it in there. This is a hard way to cook, but I suppose if you're stuck in this. Some Silverado sauce. Bam. Piece of bacon for the chef. My hands are a little dirty, but that's okay. I ate it with dirty hands before. Man. That was almost worth the effort. Well, that's the Silverado burger. So thanks again for stopping by This Guy's Garage. You can watch another video right around here. There's a link to Tim's video. And until the next time, folks, this guy is. That's fucking delicious.